Hello everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore, and today I have a quick and easy treat holder for you. This could be a birthday party favor, super quick and easy, and it's a fun one to do. These are Dinosaur little treat holders. So I am using our newest tag topper punch, and I'll put in the description because I always forget which one this is, but this is the one we're using for that. I'm also using the Dinosaur Designer Series paper, and I'm actually hand cutting the dinosaur from this paper because I did not buy the dies that go with this, which I totally regret, but anyway, it is on page 100 of the annual catalog, so this is the paper that I'm using. I'm going to use a different pattern because there are a lot of different leaf patterns in here. And if you have the bundle, the Dino Days bundle, you will have it coordinates with the dies. So you can use the dies to cut out the dinosaurs, but since I don't have the dies, I'm going to hand cut it. And you can even stamp your own little guys here. They're so cute, but that is what I'm using today for this. So he's so cute. So it makes it really quick and easy. Even cutting these out is so easy to do. All right, let's get started with this. You are going to need a piece of cardstock that is 9.5 by 2 inches. And then for the box part, you're going to need a piece that is 4 by 2.5. You're going to need 2 pieces to mat, and these are 1 7/8 by 3 7/8. You do need 2 of them. And then this is the little dinosaur I'm using for this one. I love this one. He's so cute, but you can use, there's so many on here, and I've actually used them on another project as well, but you can use any of the dinosaurs on here. They're really, really cute. All right, let's get started with this. So let's score. I'm going to grab my wax paper because I have put a piece of wax paper up here finally. All right, so we are going to score this at 4 and 5.5, and that is it. Now for the box, on the 4-inch side, you're going to score it at 1 and 3, and then you're going to turn it and score it on the 2.5 at 1/2 and 2. And that is all our scoring. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and do our little box part. So we're going to cut up each one of these. You don't even have to cut a little thing out of here. I find that it helps you to keep it more square if you don't. So I'm just going to cut up each one of those score marks. Get my bone folder here. And we're going to put this together. I'm going to just use some wet glue. And we are going to put wet glue. I'm going to put it on each side right here. And then we're going to pull these up and line them up straight. I haven't done a birthday one in a long time, and I really wanted to do this. I had this in my head for a while. And then we're going to put on here. And here. Now go ahead and sharpen this part, this one right here. And let's go ahead and mat this before we do anything further. All right, so I'm going to again use wet glue. This side would be cute too. It's really a cute little pattern. Patterns on this paper are adorable, and I love the paper on this. I'm going to show you a little trick too on cutting the little banner smaller. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, before we get the rest of that done, I'm going to fussy cut him, but I'll speed through it so you don't have to get bored with it. Okay, so our little dinosaur is cut out, and he's cute. He's really easy to cut out. There is just so super easy. All right, so we are going to bring in our tag topper punch, and we are going to punch our little scallops at the top here. I usually like to do this upside down because I could definitely see better with it and get a better punch. I'm going to try to straighten this one out a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's better. All right, so now we're ready to put our box in here. So I'm going to add adhesive at the bottom here and on our two sides. So then you're going to just set that in the center. And you do have to hold this for a minute. So I'm going to just pull it up, and we're going to just hold it there for just a second. All right, so for this one, I'm going to be using my shimmer ribbon, which is Pear Pizzazz. The other one I used Pool Party, so that's the color of that one. And then I'm again going to use the same Country Club twine combo pack, which I love the twine in here, so we're going to use the red this time. I used this green earlier on the other one. And you can either tie a bow or you can just tie a knot. I'm going to go ahead and tie a bow in it. So I'm going to hold these. I'm going to need to cut this a little bit shorter. And then pick the side that you want to be your front. They're pretty much exactly the same, so I'll probably shorten these a little bit more. I like to have one like longer than the other slightly. Alright, so that's ready for our little dinosaur. We're going to use some dimensionals to pop him up. And we're going to put him right there. Aren't they cute? And then I'm going to show you how I do the banner on here. So what I'm going to do first is I am using itty bitty gratings for the happy birthday. If you follow me, you know I use it a ton for bags and boxes. And I am actually going to stamp, let's see, I'm going to stamp it right here. I'm going to have to cut it a little bit. This is just a piece of scrap that I had. And I'll show you how to make the banner smaller. I'm using our classic label punch. And we're going to just go ahead and punch it. And then if you want to make this smaller, you just stick this in here. Make sure it's pretty even, like the other one is, and then you just make it smaller. And then we're just going to use some wet glue to adhere that. Wouldn't they make really cute little birthday favors? You can put Hershey's Kisses in it. You can put a little bag, we have some little bags that you could fill with candy and put in there. So there you have it. They're all done. And if you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I do have a new April hostess code on my blog, so go and check that out. And I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.